Hello friends, today we are with the series of IBPS A4 previous year solved question paper. Today we will discuss about the IBPS A4 previous year solved question paper 2014. These all are the memory based questions. Question number 1. In Indo-Gangetic plains, rice wheat cropping system covers about option A 5 million hectare, option B 10 million hectare, option C 15 million hectare, option D 20 million hectare. The correct answer is option B 10 million hectare. Question number 2. Which soil has the highest efficiency? Option A loamy soil, option B sandy soil, option C clay soil, option D both A and B. The correct answer is option A loamy soil. Question number 3. Magnesium is a constituent of option A nucleic acid, option B enzyme system, option C cell wall, option D chlorophyll. The correct answer is option D chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll is the magnesium is a constituent of chlorophyll. Question number 4. The largest tea production state in India. Option A Tamil Nadu, option B Assam, option C Meghalaya, option D Kerala. The correct answer is option B Assam. So the Assam is the largest tea production state in India. Question number 5. The average concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is option A 0.03%, option B 0.25%, option C 0.3%, option D 3%. The correct answer is option A 0.03%. So the average concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is 0.03%. Question number 6. Atmospheric layer nearest to the earth surface. Option A biosphere, option B exosphere, option C thermosphere, option D troposphere. The correct answer is option D troposphere. So the troposphere is the atmospheric layer nearest to the earth surface. Question number 7. Impact of greenhouse effect is option A global warming, option B ice melting, option C sea formation, option D sea level rise. The correct answer is option A global warming. So the global warming is the main impact of greenhouse effect. Question number 8. Which food is designated as boneless meat? Option A banana, option B potato, option C soybean, option D tapioca. The correct answer is option C soybean. So the soybean is also designated as boneless meat. Question number 9. Soil mulch is useful in option A minimizing evaporation losses, option B improving aeration, option C improving drainage, option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. Question number 10. The depth of seeding in wheat is dependent on option A length of mesocotyle, option B length of radicle, option C length of coleoptile, option D both A and B. The correct answer is option C length of coleoptile. So the depth of seed in wheat sowing is depend on length of coleoptile. Question number 11. The photosynthetically active radiation PAR falls in the range of option A 400 to 700 nm, option B 100 to 400 nm, option C 700 to 1000 nm, option D 800 to 120 100 nm, 1200 nm. The correct answer is option A 400 to 700 nm. Question number 12. The origin place of soybean. Option A Brazil, option B Mexico, option C China, option D Peru. So the correct answer is option C China. So the China is the origin place of soybean. Question number 13. In which of the following crops GM varieties are available for cultivation in India? Option A mustard, option B cotton, option C soybean, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B cotton. So the cotton is the only GM crop which is available for cultivation in India. Question number 14. The inflorescence in rice is known as option A ear, option B raceme, option C spike, option D panicle. The correct answer is option D panicle. So the inflorescence of rice is known as panicle. Question number 15. Non-edible plant suitable for biodiesel. Option A, Jatropha. Option B, castor. Option C, coconut. Option D, rapeseed. The correct answer is option A, Jatropha. So the Jatropha is the non-edible plant suitable for biodiesel. Question number 16. When the fertility gradient of the field is in two direction, the most appropriate experimental design is option A, CRD, option B, RBD, option C, split design, option D, LSD. The correct answer is option D, LSD. Question number 17. Country having maximum area of hybrid rice. Option A, China. Option B, India. Option C, Indonesia. Option D, USA. The correct answer is option A, China. So the China is having the maximum area of hybrid rice. Question number 18. The vertisol is related to option A, laterite soil. Option B, red soil. Option C, alluvial soil. Option D, black soil. The correct answer is option D, black soil. So the vertisol is related to black soils. Question number 19. Disease caused by zinc deficiency. Option A, Khera. Option B, Mosaic. Option C, dieback. Option D, whiptail. The correct answer is option A, Khera. So the Khera disease is caused by zinc deficiency. Question number 20. Impact of greenhouse effect is option A, global warming. Option B, ice melting. Option C, sea formation. Option D, sea level rise. The correct answer is option A, global warming. Question number 21. Study of soil from the standpoint of higher plant is known as option A, pedology. Option B, petrology. Option C, edaphology. Option D, geophysics. The correct answer is option C, edaphology. So the study of soil from the standpoint of higher plant is known as edaphology. Question number 22. The relative proportion of sand, silt and clay is called option A, soil texture. Option B, soil aggregation. Option C, soil structure. Option D, soil taxonomy. The correct answer is option A, soil texture. So the relative proportion of sand, silt and clay is called as soil texture. Question number 23. Which of the following crop is thermo-insensitive? Option A, sunflower. Option B, wheat. Option C, rice. Option D, jowar. The correct answer is option A, sunflower. So the sunflower is the thermo-insensitive crop. Question number 24. Alluvial soils are found in option A, desert. Option B, forest. Option C, river delta. Option D, mountains. The correct answer is option C, river delta. So the alluvial soils are found in river deltas. Question number 25. C4 plants normally produce more biological yield than C3 plants because of option A, more photorespiration. Option B, less photorespiration. Option C, less photophosphorylation. Option D, more photophosphorylation. The correct answer is option B, less photorespiration. So the C4 plants normally produce more biological yield than C3 plant because of less photorespiration. Question number 26. Which of the following insecticides may be recommended for the control of termites? Option A, chlorpyrifos. Option B, nimbicidine. Option C, dimethoate. Option D, methylodamaton. The correct answer is option A, chlorpyrifos. So the chlorpyrifos is the insecticide which is recommended to control of termites. Question number 27. Contribution of agriculture in GDP according to year 2014. Option A, 13%. Option B, 30%. Option C, 40%. Option C, D, 60%. The correct answer is option A, 13%. So the contribution of agriculture in GDP in 2014 was 13%. Question number 28. Plants capable of growing in rock crevices are called option A, calciphyte. Option B, chasmophyte. Option C, lithophyte. Option D, halophyte. So the correct answer is option C, lithophytes. So the lithophytes are the plants which are capable to growing in rock crevices. Question number 29. Which crop is also known as white gold? Option A maize, option B opium, option C soybean, option D cotton. So the correct answer is option D cotton. So the cotton is also known as white gold. Question number 30. Densest part of atmosphere strata is option A troposphere, option B thermosphere, option C stratosphere, option D mesosphere. The correct answer is option A troposphere. So the troposphere is the densest part of atmosphere stratus. Question number 31. Transgenic crop having maximum cultivated area in the world is option A maize, option B rice, option C soybean, option D cotton. The correct answer is option C soybean. Question number 32. Crop logging is done in option A sugarcane, option B maize, option C tobacco, option D cotton. The correct answer is option A sugarcane. So the crop logging is done in sugarcane. Crop logging was discovered by H.F. Clement. Question number 33. Pruning is most essential for option A cauliflower, option B rubber, option C tea, option D cinchona. The correct answer is option C tea. So the pruning is most essential for tea crop. Question number 34. Most widely cultivated mustard type in India is option number A yellow brown mustard, option B black mustard, option C Toria, option D Indian mustard. The correct answer is option D Indian mustard. So the most widely cultivated mustard type in India is Indian mustard. Question number 35. In India, maximum area under wheat is occupied by the species option A Triticum aestivum, option B Triticum dicoccum, option C Triticum durum, option D Triticum vulgare. The correct answer is option A Triticum aestivum. Question number 36. Which soil has highest efficiency? Option A loamy soil, option B sandy soil, option C clay soil, option D both A and C. The correct answer is option A loamy soil. So the loamy soil has the highest efficiency. Question number 37. Maximum productivity of sugarcane in India is option A Punjab, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Haryana, option D Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option D Tamil Nadu. So the Tamil Nadu is the state where the maximum productivity of sugarcane is found in India. Question number 38. The crop having highest pesticide use is cotton, option B oilseeds, option C rice, option D wheat. The correct answer is option A cotton. So the cotton is the crop which requires the highest use of pesticides. Question number 39. Sulfur containing amino acid is option A lysine, option B methionine, option C glutamine, option D glycine. The correct answer is option B methionine. So the methionine is the amino acid which contains sulfur. Question number 40. Densest part of atmosphere strata is option A troposphere, option B thermosphere, option C stratosphere, option D mesosphere. The correct answer is option A troposphere. So the troposphere is the densest part of atmospheric strata. Question number 41. Aflatoxin contamination is generally found in option A arhar, option B groundnut, option C chickpea, option D soybean. The correct answer is option B groundnut. So the aflatoxin contamination is generally found in groundnut. Question number 42. Photoperiodically rise is A. Option A day neutral plant, option B long day plant, option C short day plant, option D both A and B. The correct answer is option C short day plant. So the rice is a short day plant by photoperiodically. Question number 43. Growth of plants toward light is called option A phototropism, option B photorespiration, option C photochromatism, option D photoperiodism. The correct answer is option D photoperiodism. So the growth of plants toward light is called photoperiodism. Question number 44. Sugar beet is an indicator plant for option A sodium, option B molybdenum, option C zinc, option D phosphorus. So the correct answer is option number A sodium. So the sugar beet is an indicator plant for sodium. Question number 45. CO2 acceptor in C4 plants is option A PGA, option B RUBP, option C OAA, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option number C OAA, oxaloacetic acid. Question number 46. Plant cells are connected with the help of option number A plasmodesmata, option B cell wall, option C plasma membrane, option D plasmoderma. The correct answer is option number A plasmodesmata. So the plant cells are connected with the help of plasmodesmata. Question number 47. Pruning is most essential for option A cauliflower, option B rubber, option C tea, option D cinchona. The correct answer is option number C tea. So the pruning is most essential for tea crop. Question number 48. The CO2 content of soil air is option number A 3%, option B 0.3%, option C 0.03%, option D 0.003%. The correct answer is option number 2, option number B 0.03%. 0.3%. So the CO2 content of soil air is 0.3%. Question number 49. Triticale is a cross between option A wheat and rye, option B wheat and barley, option C barley and oat, option D rye and oat. So the correct answer is option A wheat and rye. So the triticale is a cross between wheat and rye. Question number 50. Rice grain is deficient in option A lysine, option B alanine, option C glycine, option D isoleucine. The correct answer is option A lysine. So the rice grain is deficient in lysine. Thank you.